What's up, everybody? What's Gucci? Hope everybody having a blessed morning. If not, it will get better. Keep your head up. Stay prayed up. Salute to all the truck drivers, heavy equipment operators, blue collar, white collar, dirty collar. You name it, man. Y'all be safe out there on them locations, man. But yeah, we out here with Miss T-Rex. Got the crane repair guy out here. Just tweaking a couple of things. But yeah, man. I know y'all can hear me, my allergies, I sound, all stopped up. But yeah, the weather changed in Virginia, man, so much. 1 week it might be 34 degrees. The next week it might be like 80 degrees out here. You be like, Virginia don't know what they want to do. I don't think we're gonna really get a winter, but I mean, I ain't complaining. I'm just blessed to be alive. So excuse my voice, my beautiful voice, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm just messing, pause. But yeah, we out here getting it right, man. But y'all have a blessed week. Be safe out there to the truck drivers. Y'all be safe out there on the highways, interstates, and roads. To the other drivers, man, get out the way, man. We trying to complete the mission. Y'all being aware at the light, man. Light green. Y'all still on the phone playing around, man. We got places to be, people to see, customers to make happy. All right? But yeah, man, just tapping in with y'all to see what y'all doing, man. Y'all stay positive, man. Stay away from the negativity, man. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And appreciate your support, man. Peace. Oh, salute to all the crane operators too, man. Yeah, salute to all the crane operators. I ain't put y'all in there. I gotta put y'all in there. Y'all dope, man. Y'all got a dope job. Not something I would want to do, per se, but yeah. It's pretty dope, though. It's pretty dope. Yeah, pretty dope and interesting. But y'all have a blessed day. Peace.